To achieve a fit and toned appearance, strong abs are key. Not only do they boost confidence and attractiveness, but they also improve posture, prevent lower back pain, and enhance overall athleticism. Unfortunately, many people waste their time on ineffective exercises that won't produce results. So, let's dive into 10 steps to guarantee optimal ab muscle growth and definition. First, it's crucial to maintain a low body fat percentage, as visible abs are only achievable with a lean physique. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, as body fat distribution varies from person to person. However, general guidelines suggest men should aim for 12% body fat and women for 19%. It's essential to keep in mind that these numbers will vary. To make your abs more prominent, adding more muscle through progressive overload training is recommended. This means gradually increasing the weight or difficulty of your ab exercises over time to continuously challenge the muscle and encourage growth. Most individuals train their abs with high reps, but incorporating lower reps, 8 to 10, with a heavier weight load has proven to yield better results. Both high reps with lighter weight and low reps with heavier weight should be included in your routine. While high reps are commonly done, low-rep heavy weight sets are often neglected. It's crucial to incorporate both types of sets for optimal growth, as the abs are composed of 55 to 58% slow-twitch fibers, and the rest being fast-twitch. Fast-twitch fibers respond well to heavier weight loads and lower reps, while slow-twitch fibers respond better to higher reps with less weight. One effective strategy is to save the high-rep bodyweight sets for the end of your workout, after the heavy-weighted ones. Another approach is to perform high and low rep sets together using supersets, where you immediately do a high rep set with no weight after a low rep set with a heavy weight. While compound exercises like squats and deadlifts can help build some ab muscle, they're not as effective as isolation exercises. Studies have shown that ab muscle activation during these compound exercises is low, reaching only 20% of maximum voluntary contraction. On the other hand, exercises such as the straight leg sit-up have shown to activate the external obliques and rectus abdominis by around 40%. Additionally, the clean and jerk, which includes movements from a squat, deadlift, and overhead press, has also been shown to have low core activity levels. Therefore, to effectively target the abs, it's important to focus on isolation exercises instead of relying solely on compound movements. Instead of relying on static exercises like planks for building ab muscles, it's better to focus on ab isolation exercises. Although planks may seem like an effective exercise for most people, the movements are too easy and don't provide enough tension overload to effectively grow the rectus abdominis and obliques. While you can modify the plank by adding weight or doing a long lever posterior pelvic tilt, it remains a static exercise, which is not the best way to build muscle. A more effective alternative to planks would be an isometric exercise, where you engage in an isometric contraction by stacking your hands together and pushing down with one hand while pushing up with the other. To optimize your ab and arm muscle growth, focus on dynamic exercises instead of static or isometric movements. Dynamic exercises offer greater muscle overload and activate different anabolic signaling patterns, leading to more potent muscle growth. While isometric exercises such as the plank have their own benefits, they won't optimize the appearance of your abs like dynamic movements will. To enhance the look of your abs, concentrate on training your rectus abdominis, or the six-pack muscle. This muscle should be the main focus of your ab training. For optimal rectus abdominis development, perform crunch-type movements for the upper part of the muscle, and leg raise variations for the lower part. Keep in mind that no exercise can spot-reduce belly fat, but focusing on dynamic exercises will help you optimize the growth and appearance of your abs. To achieve defined and visible abs, the primary factor is your overall body fat percentage. Despite the popular belief that ab exercises alone can burn belly fat, scientific studies have shown that this is not the case. Even with intense ab workouts, participants in one study were unable to see a reduction in belly fat after 6 weeks of training for 4 hours a week. To lose fat, it's important to maintain a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories than you burn. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the amount of calories you need may change multiple times throughout your weight loss journey due to factors like metabolic adaptation. To ensure you're maintaining a calorie deficit, measure your weight daily, calculate the weekly average, and adjust your caloric intake accordingly. In addition to creating a calorie deficit, it's crucial to consume sufficient amounts of protein. Aim to get at least 0.72 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. Protein not only helps maintain muscle mass, but also promotes a calorie deficit, as it's the most satiating macronutrient. A study showed that those following a high-protein diet lost additional body fat compared to those on a standard protein diet, We hope this video has been informative and entertaining for you. Make sure you turn on those notifications so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to creating more amazing content for you.